Introduction to Gmail and Dropbox Automation.
Imagine getting your Gmail attachments saved to Dropbox automatically with zero manual work. This easy automation helps you organize important files, keeps backups, and saves time. In this guide, you'll learn how to set up a free workflow using IFTTT, a popular automation tool, to send your Gmail attachments straight to a designated Dropbox folder.
What is IFTTT and why use it?
IFTTT stands for If This, Then That. It's a user-friendly service that connects different apps and devices. By creating simple automation routines called applets, IFTTT allows Gmail and Dropbox to work together effortlessly. With this setup, you can ensure that every attachment from a chosen Gmail label goes straight to your Dropbox, reliably and securely.
Preparing your accounts.
Before you build the automation, you'll need IFTTT, Gmail, and Dropbox accounts. Sign up or log in to IFTTT for free. Make sure both your Gmail and Dropbox accounts are active. Having your login details ready will speed up the connection process when creating your IFTTT workflow.
Setting up the IFTTT automation.
Head to IFTTT and search for Gmail to Dropbox applets. Choose an existing template or create your own. When prompted, connect your Gmail and Dropbox accounts. Set the trigger, usually new attachments in Gmail or specific label. Define the Dropbox folder where files will be saved. Review and enable the applet to start the automation.
Tips for a smooth workflow.
Keep your Gmail and Dropbox accounts secure by regularly updating passwords. Use a specific Gmail label like to Dropbox to better control which attachments are saved. Monitor your Dropbox storage to avoid running out of space. Occasionally check IFTTT's activity log to confirm that attachments are syncing as expected.
Finishing up.
With IFTTT, saving Gmail attachments to Dropbox becomes an automatic, hands-off process. This simple setup not only organizes your files, but also ensures easy access across devices. Try customizing the workflow to fit your needs and enjoy a more streamlined, paperless routine.